Hi you guys, I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Thakkar and I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. Today we are here to talk about, review and swatch one of the newest launches by Nykaa Cosmetics, which is their Nykaa Aqua Jelly Tint. And this has not been spoken about by anybody on the internet whatsoever. I'm the first person to actually talk about it, review and swatch it for you guys. So let's go ahead and talk about this Nykaa Aqua Jelly Tint. I picked out the shade Cherry because I felt like this is a shade that will suit a lot of Indian skin tones and a shade that a lot of people would end up picking or buying. I'm going to link this product below in the description, so do not forget to check it out. It actually comes in 5 beautiful shades for you to choose from. For anybody who's wondering what I'm wearing on my lips right now, because I do get a lot of questions asked in the comments as to what am I wearing in the starting of the video. So I'm wearing the Revolution Pout Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Espresso Cool Nude. It's a beautiful plumping lip gloss that plumps your lips as well as looks really nice on your lips. Even if you just want to wear it as a gloss, it is so beautiful. Reading a little bit about the Aqua Jelly Tint on the Nykaa app, just understanding what it claims to be or claims to have in the product itself. It has aloe vera extracts to smooth, hydrate and keep your skin feeling comfortable all day, and it has skin-loving botanical boosters giving you a radiant plump finish. It's a dewy tint that melts into the skin and lips for a fresh, juicy flush. It's a weightless gel tint that blends like second skin, delivering a natural wash of color. It's hydrating, buildable and instantly refreshing. It has ingredients like natural rose water for a gentle calming touch. It says that it's buildable and hydrating, so we're going to see, because we're going to use this on our lips as well as cheeks. You get 10 ml of product for $5.99. Talking about the packaging is actually very cute. You can see that it has a cherry drawn right on it, and each of these variants have a different drawing depending on what variant the product actually is. So they have 5 different variants in this, and each of them are actually separately designed. When it comes to their packaging, each of these products have a different packaging and a different color. So that's really cool and that's really funky. I think that speaks to a lot of people because everybody appreciates cute packaging. You get a plastic applicator right here to squeeze out the product. It's easy to control the amount of product you're getting out of this tube. Okay, that was a lot. I'm going to take a very little and apply it on the cheeks right here. We don't know how pigmented this is, so I've taken very little, and it is definitely a jelly sort of consistency. It's extremely lightweight, and as you can see, it's blending into my skin like a dream. It's very pigmented, as you can see. Even a very little goes a long way with this product. You don't even need this much. So like, this product will last you a very long time. Applying a very little right here and blending it with a different finger. Gives you that beautiful flush of color as it says in the description. It gives your skin a little bit of dewy finish as well. You can see that it's extremely buildable because here I've taken a little bit more product and here I've taken a little less. Like, you can just build it up as much as you want. The intensity of this can be crazy, but like, you can see the difference. You can achieve a natural flush of color that you can see this side. You can also build this up as you can see this side. I'm just gonna take whatever's left on my fingers and use it on my lips. Add a little bit more. Can definitely build this up on your lips as well. I actually really like the fact that it has literally dried down so nicely and become completely matte and transfer proof. This doesn't budge once it's set on your skin, so that's really nice. I really enjoyed using this product and it looks so beautiful and flattering on my skin. This color is definitely meant for Indian skin tones. So if you're somebody who's confused whether to add this to your cart or not, please add it to your cart right away because this product is definitely worth your money. One more thing I'd like to mention is that it did not move the foundation or any base product underneath. It kept it intact and just layered on so beautifully on my skin. You can actually layer this tint with a gloss and just leave for the day because this tint is not going anywhere. Looks so beautiful even with a gloss on. Transfer proof and crisp proof as well. I'm going to link this down below in the description, so do not forget to check that out. If you enjoyed this video and if this video helped you in any way, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.